There's a great website where you can make oil paintings, pencil drawings, and sketches for free. And I'm going to show you how in this video. There's a great website here called Photofunia, and the website is photofunia.com. I'll put a link in the video description below. It's completely free. You don't even need to sign in. I'm going to show you how to make a few different effects. And you can see here on the main page, they have a whole bunch of different effects. The ones that we're going to cover right now is a sketch, and I'm going to just simply choose a photo. Right here, I'm going to click on the Choose Photo button, and now I can either drag my photo here or I can upload it from my PC. Okay, now it gives you an option here to crop the photo, so you can drag it down or you can move it over if you wanted. For example, just like that. I'm going to leave it as is, so even though I haven't touched it, I'm just going to click this crop button here because I'm just leaving it the same. And now I have an option here to fade the edges as well. And as you can see here on the right hand side, the edges can get faded like a pencil sketch. I'm going to click yes to fading the edges, and now I'll just simply click go. And we can see this has returned an absolutely beautiful pencil sketch in just a matter of seconds. And now I can simply download it here on the right-hand side, the top right. And when I click download, it gives me an option now to download the JPEG file, which is perfect. Now there's a similar filter here on Photofunia called pencil drawing, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to choose the photo. I'm going to pick the exact same person. I'm going to leave it as is. And now I can do a black and white photo or a color photo. I'm going to leave it as a black and white. And I can see here the paper, I can do a texture, color, or white paper. I'm going to do a texture paper. I'm going to fade the edges, and now I'll click go. And as you can see, it's very similar to the sketch. So you could play around with it and you could make it a color, or you could have different effects on it as well. I think that looks absolutely fantastic. I reran it with a color filter, and we can see here now there's a bit of red on the lips. There's a bit of brown in the hair. This looks really nice, and it's a color pencil picture. I think that's absolutely spectacular. The last one here I'll show in Photofunia is the oil painting. It's the exact same process. You're just simply going to choose a photo. I'll upload the photo from my PC. I'll use the photo as is. I'll simply click go. And we can see now an absolutely beautiful oil painting now has been created in just seconds. I'll click the download button and I can compare them. So as you can see here, we've got the original photo. We then have one of the sketches, slightly different color paper. We've then got the colored pencil sketch. And then we have the oil painting. I think that looks really cool. And if you'd like to create something that's a gift for a friend, or you'd like to sell something on print on demand, this is a really cool and free to use website called Photofunia. Link in the video description below. I hope you found this helpful. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your graphic design journey. Thanks a lot for watching.